The World Cup just got bigger, a lot bigger, and depending on who you ask, that is either the greatest thing to happen to football or a slow, quiet disaster dressed up in confetti. 48 teams, 12 groups. A format so new that even the people running it are still figuring it out. Most fans will watch the whole thing without understanding why it works the way it does. Here is exactly how it works. For most of football history, the World Cup had 32 teams. Simple, clean. Every team played in a group of 4. Top 2 advanced, 3rd and 4th went home. You knew where you stood. Then FIFA changed it. Starting with 2026, the tournament expanded to 48 teams. That is 50% more countries, 50% more matches, and, if we are being honest, a much longer tournament with a much higher chance of watching a 7-0 blowout in Week 1. So why did they do it? Simple answer. More teams means more countries watching. More countries watching means more broadcasting deals. More broadcasting deals means more money. This is not a conspiracy. It is just how large institutions behave when given the option to grow. Whether you like it or not, the math always wins. But there is a second reason, a real one. Football is genuinely global now. Nations in Africa, Asia, and the Caribbean that used to miss out entirely now have a path in. Expanding the field was, at least partly, an honest attempt to reflect that. Both things are true at the same time. It is more democratic and more chaotic. Welcome to modern football. Here is the part that genuinely confuses people. With 48 teams and 12 groups, the old math stops working. You cannot split 48 into groups of 4 and have it come out evenly into a clean bracket. So FIFA kept the groups of 4, but added a rule. The 8 best third-place teams also advance, not just the top 2. Third place can get you through. This is where most fans go quiet when you ask them about it. And here is the wrinkle almost nobody mentions. That third place rule creates situations where a team can lose 2 of their 3 group games and still reach the knockout round. It has happened before in the 24-team Euros format. It will happen here. You will see a team celebrate advancing with a 1-2 record. Someone in the room will say that is wrong. They are not wrong. The format just lets it happen. We are inside this tournament right now. Every group game you are watching, someone is doing the math on what a third-place finish actually needs. That number changes every day. This is the new normal. 48 teams, 12 groups, one genuinely strange path to the knockout stage. It is bigger, louder, and occasionally a little messier. That is the deal. Most people watching cannot explain any of this. You just did. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. It means a lot.